Introducing AeroPress Go Plus, the only travel coffee press with 3-in-1 brew technology. Get ready for the smooth, rich, full-bodied flavor of an AeroPress coffee. No grit, no bitterness. To make an AeroPress brew, you'll need hot water, a grinder, paper filters, and your AeroPress. The first step is to prepare your hot water. If you have an electric kettle, heat your water to 185 degrees. If you don't, boiling water is fine. Now, let's get your AeroPress ready to brew. First, remove the Go Plus lid and place all the components on the counter. Then, pull the plunger and separate it entirely from the immersion chamber. Grab one standard sized paper filter, place it into the filter cap, and twist the filter cap onto the immersion chamber. Unlike other presses, the AeroPress uses a microfilter to prevent grit and bitter tasting oils from passing through to your cup. Place the immersion chamber on top of your Go Plus tumbler, making sure it is well centered for stability. Next step is to grind your beans to medium fine. This is 11 to 13 on the Baratza Encore. Place one heaping scoop of medium fine coffee into the chamber and gently level out the coffee bed. Now, slowly pour water up to the number 4 on the chamber. You may hear some coffee dripping through into your tumbler. This is normal and part of the brewing process. Now, take your stirrer and rest it entirely in the chamber, stirring for about 5 seconds to get all the grinds wet. The next part is very important. Take the plunger and gently insert it about 1/2 inch into the top of the chamber, making sure the plunger is entirely past the lip of the chamber. This will create a vacuum that will stop your brew from dripping through into your cup. Wait about 30 seconds as the hot water works its way into the coffee grounds using the process called immersion. Now, the fun part. Begin AeroPressing your brew by gently applying pressure to the top of the plunger. It's important to do this steadily and not too hard. As you push down, air pressure gently forces the brewed coffee through the paper filter, aerating and pulling the last bit of flavor from the coffee bed. Push until you hear the roar or hiss sound, signaling the end of your brew, and prepare yourself for the uniquely delicious flavor of an AeroPress coffee. To clean, don't wait. It only takes seconds. Just remove the filter cap, then hold your AeroPress over the trash bin and push the plunger all the way through the chamber until you hear the puck of coffee pop through and into the bin. Rinse the plunger, filter cap, and stirrer under warm water. Now, prepare to put your AeroPress back into the Go Plus tumbler for storage. First, push the plunger back through the immersion chamber until you hear the pop sound. Fold the stirrer in half and put all the components back into the Go Plus tumbler. And that's how it's done. The one-of-a-kind AeroPress Go Plus brew in less than 2 minutes. Ah.